guys, welcome back to HackerKID's Let's Learn series. Today we are going to learn about web development. It doesn't matter if you're aged from 7 or 17. You are going to learn web development in the easiest way possible today. Think of internet as a gigantic Lego playground and we are the master builders. Today we are going to construct a Lego city using tools like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now what is web development? It is building a website using some tools, right? Just like how we use Lego bricks to build a Lego land. What do we need to build a Lego land? Well, Lego bricks in different sizes, shapes and colors, right? Similarly, to build a website, we need different types of tools. For example, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Think of HTML as a basic brick that is used to build the building, while CSS gives the color and style to it, and JavaScript brings all this to life. As I said, HTML is the basic brick of the Lego city. It is used to build all the buildings, streets, parks, theaters, whatever you want in the Lego city. Similarly, in a website, HTML is the backbone. It is used to give the structure to the website. Now, for example, you are building a tree in your Lego land. So you will be using bricks of colors and styles according to a tree, right? Like greens and browns and the shape based on a tree. So similarly, for a website, CSS is the tool that does this all. CSS is like the stylish decorator of our website. It is used to adding patterns, colors and style to the website and making it look super cool. So now that you have built your own Lego land using all the Lego bricks, imagine how awesome it would be if it all comes to life. Well, that is where JavaScript comes in help. Similarly, a website is built using HTML and CSS, and to bring it to life, we use JavaScript. Now, you have completed it all. Wouldn't you want to share it with your friends and family? Similarly, after building a website, you must upload it in the internet for other people to see. In this way, you are putting the website for the whole world to see your creation. Hope you all understood the basics of web development. See how easy it is to build a Lego land and how similarly easy it is to build a website. And hope you have fun building your own website. For more such fun and interesting videos to learn from, make sure you subscribe to HackerKID.